Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online support program for English class 10th. I am Asma Gul, your English course instructor from Army Public School and College Zamzama Senior, Nowshera, Kent. Syllabus and paper pattern for English class 10th. Resources: textbook and reference books. Textbook is English 10 Karwan Book House, Lahore. For grammar and composition, we have English Grammar and Composition 9th and 10th, Punjab Textbook Board, Lahore. Students had already been using this in their class 9th. High School English Grammar and Composition by Renan Martin. Objectives: at the end of this video lecture, you will be able to know about the syllabus of English class 10th. You will be able to know about the paper pattern. Now let us start with our syllabus. Our syllabus comprises of 13 number of units. Then the grammar portion, parts of speech, subject and predicate, phrases and clauses, narration, phrasal verbs, kinds of adverbs, gerund, participles, conditional sentences, kinds of pronouns, conjunctions, degrees and order of adjectives, and tenses. Moreover, there is letter writing, application writing, reading comprehension passage, and essay writing. Now come to the paper pattern and marks distribution. Total marks for our subject English are 75, and our paper is divided into 3 portions. Section A, it has a total of 15 marks, section B 34 marks, and section C 26 marks. Now let us check the details of section A, B and C. It has a total of 15 marks and it has question number 1 with 15 MCQs. These MCQs will come from your contextual work from the textbook and grammar portion. Section B. Section B is having a total of 34 marks. Type and number of questions are 3. Question number 2, 3 and 4. Question number 2 worth 15 marks. You have to write short answers to the questions given. I think 5 questions you have to answer any of the 5 questions in about 30 to 40 words. Question number 3 is worth 9 marks from poems with 2 parts. Part A worth 3 marks. About the theme or central idea. Part B worth 6 marks. About the questions given from a particular stanza from any of the 3 poems in the book. Question number 4 worth 10 marks. A passage will be given for test reading comprehension, and you have to answer the questions and summarize the passage. Now come to section number C. Section C comprises of 3 questions and it is about grammar and composition. It has a total of 26 marks. The type and number of questions are question number 3, question number 5, 6 and 7. Question number 5 worth 8 marks with 2 parts. Part A, narration. You have to change the direct speech into indirect speech. Part B, having 4 marks. You have to use phrasal or your prepositional verbs into the in sentences. Question number 6 worth 8 marks. You have to write either a formal letter or an application. Question number 7 worth 10 marks. You have to write an essay of about 150 to 200 words on any one of the given 3 topics. That is all about our paper pattern. Now let us come to the sample question paper. In sample question paper, let us first discuss the section A. Section A is having 15 marks, and as you can see, there are 15 MCQs. You have to choose the correct option, and these MCQs are from the textbook and grammar work. Section B. Section B is having 34 marks, and there are 3 questions. Question number 2, 3 and 4. Question number 2 is about the question answers that are from the units. Question number 3 is about the poem any of the poem will be given to you. It is having two parts. A part is about the central idea or the theme or the symbolic meaning of any of the poem from the book. Number B is about this. A stanza will be given to you and you have to answer the questions given at the end. Question number 4 is about the reading comprehension. You have to give answers to the questions and summarize the passage. Section number C. Section number C is having 26 marks. It is having question number 5, 6 and 7. Question number 5 is divided into two parts, A and B. A part is about the narration. You have to change the direct narration into indirect narration. Number B part is you have to use any of the 4 prepositional or phrasal verbs in your sentences. Question number 6 is about application writing or a letter writing. There is a choice in between the two. You have to do any one of them. Question number 7 is essay writing. You have to write an essay on any of the given topics, and the essay should comprise of 150 to 200 words. That is all for today. Thank you for watching.